Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, we are celebrating as Bonus Kitchen has already reached 5,000 subscribers. Thank you everyone for all your support. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel a lot. For today's episode, we will make star bread or putok bread. It is a Filipino sweet bun sprinkled with sugar. Let's get baking! We will need 4 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of fresh milk, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of powdered milk, 7 grams of instant yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 medium egg. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, mix together the flour, salt, instant yeast, sugar, and the powdered milk. Then, add the butter, milk, and the egg. And mix them together until you form a dough. Now, sprinkle some flour into the work surface and transfer the dough and knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it becomes smooth. After kneading, transfer the dough into a bowl greased with oil. Then, cover it with tea towel and let it rest for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, transfer the dough into the work surface. By the way, it doesn't double in size. Now, cut the dough into slices about 50 grams each. Now, shape each dough into a ball. And transfer it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. After shaping the dough into balls, make a cut on top of the dough. After making cuts, cover this with tea towel and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, brush the top of the dough with melted butter . And sprinkle some sugar on top of it. Then, bake this in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And here's our finished product! Sour bread is dense, sweet, milky, and it's best eaten freshly baked. This is what it looks like inside. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!